Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of men's heavyweight t-shirts with the Hanes Ultimate Men's Fresh IQ Slim Fit Crew Undershirt 4-pack. These undershirts are hailed as the best heavyweight t-shirts for men on the market, and for good reason. Made with a 50% cotton, 50% polyester fabric blend, these tees offer both durability and comfort. The Hanes undershirts feature a modern slim fit design, with higher armholes, a slightly narrower straight body, and tapered sleeve openings. This tailored fit ensures a sleek look without sacrificing comfort. What sets these undershirts apart is the Fresh IQ technology. This innovative feature wicks away moisture to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. Additionally, the advanced odor protection technology fights odor-causing bacteria, ensuring you feel fresh all day long. Whether you're layering them under a shirt or wearing them on their own, the Hanes Ultimate Men's Fresh IQ Slim Fit Crew undershirts are a versatile and reliable addition to any wardrobe. For the best heavyweight t-shirts for men that blend style, comfort, and functionality, look no further than the Hanes Ultimate Men's Fresh IQ Slim Fit Crew Undershirt 4-pack. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.